Importation business is one of the lucrative businesses anybody can think of starting. But sometimes one of the problems that people find is getting the right person to teach them in the step by step without any steps skipped. They're getting the right person devoid of distance who will guide them, who will mentor them into knowing what to do at the right time and when to do it at the right time. I've trained a lot of people as far as this importation business is concerned, across the length and breadth of Ghana, all the 16 regions in Ghana. By the grace of God, I have students, people there that I have trained them. So there was this time that this guy contacted me from Kumasi. That is Kumasi is one part in Ghana. And he contacted me that, oh, he wants to be importing spare parts for a particular brand of motorbike. So you can see the motorbikes on your screen. Yes. So he said, but he's scared. I said, oh, really? How do you get my contact? Then he told me a prophet gave my contact to him. I said, okay, no problem. And if you trust the man of God, then you have nothing to be scared about. Despite the fact that I am in Accra, so there's no big deal about that. You can check my handles across board. I'm on all social media handles, which he did. This guy trusted, so you can see everything for yourself. But he did something so glorious, so awesome. He contacted me and I got him through. He said he wanted to learn how to import. So I said, okay, no problem. Then I took him through, did and everything and all that. Then he received his first consignment, he received his second consignment, then the third consignment he came. Now, what amazes me is what you are seeing on your screen. This was just yesterday. So look at the pictures. So you can see the video, everything I'm playing is live. So you can see it. So this is so these are his third consignment that he has received them. So you can see everything of yourself. Then look at what he told me. So just yesterday, then he said that what good afternoon, bro. The goods are finally in, and this is one what afternoon. So happy you have to have you. Morning smile. God bless you. So you can see everything of yourself. This is not my handwriting. He just WhatsApped it to me. Then he sent me a screenshot of the total shipping fee he's supposed to pay to the shipping company. So he's supposed to pay. You can see everything. I'm not hiding anything, and I'll never do. So, and these are very huge boxes that he imported. And I was like, wow, thanks be to God Almighty, and thanks to for the trust reposed in me and my brand, Money Smart GH. And he said, yes, oh, bro, but the dollar, mm, we are all in it. We are all in it. The dollar is the thing. Yes. So we are all in it. I said, yes, oh, bro, God will make a way. They said, Then today, I saw him posting on his status. He said, I hope none got broken. So this is his status. So you can see everything. Yes. So this is his status. You can see these are the parts of the items that he imported. So you can see I'm showing you everything, everything. Oh yes, I'm showing you everything, all for yourself, so that you see that yes, Money Smart G is legit, is reliable, we are trustworthy. So I'm showing you everything. I've never seen this person with my naked eyes before. Oh yes, I've never seen him with my naked eyes before. So he just imported all these things. So let me see if he has on his status the very motorbike, because he used to post them on his status. Yeah. Okay. So these are some of the things. The light, but I'll show you the motorbike that he import. Sorry, he want the spare parts for them and all that. And one thing I've come to realize is this very type of motorbikes, they are a lot of people are using them, but getting their parts is very scarce. I did a research on that, and it's true. And it's true. So quickly, when I asked him, I hope none got broken. I said, oh, I'm still checking, bro, but one got broken. I said, oh, I see. And he sent me that emoji with that dark. I said, oh, send me your Momo number quickly. I never hesitated at all because I don't know what might be the reason. So quickly, you understand. I sent him my mobile, my merchant number, account number. Then quickly, he said 500 CDs. Hey, this early morning, 500 CDs sent. Please manage for me, bro. I know you deserve more than that, but please don't worry, more deals ahead. You understand? This is someone I don't know. He just dashed me. Having trained him now, he knows the way he's doing everything all for himself. I said, wow, thanks, bro. I'm grateful. And I replied, oh, sure, I appreciate your gratitude. And look at what he said. I should be the one thanking you, bro. My first touch of ordering five goods and everything is cool with me. People get scammed for several times, but thank God I have you, Money Smart GH. You really know road. Wow, thank you so much. Then I sent this heart emoji, and I was like, oh, okay. I'm showing you everything of yourself. So guys, it's so glorious. It's so glorious. So I posted it on my status. Yeah, I posted yesterday on my status that a client from Kumasi who I've never seen before, yet I've been importing his preferred choice of products that meet his specs. Check out. So you can see everything is just there. Then so I posted this also on the video he sent me. I posted it on my status. Then you can see. So this is my status. Yeah. So follow who know road. That is it. Follow who know road. So quickly, then he came and gave this emoji, having seen what I posted on my status. So, guys, I just want to tell you that importation is lucrative, no doubt about that. It is very lucrative, no doubt about that. But one of the problem is getting the right person to train you. Is also another thing. So you have to consider who trains you. There are a lot of people that talks here and there. They talk this, they are importation guru, they are this, they are that, they are this, they are that. But yet they have no evidence to show. Be very mindful of the people that you follow. Oh yeah, be very mindful of the people you follow. Sometimes I'm not saying this to dent someone's image or whatever it is. I'm not saying you should also come to me or whatever. No, just make a choice before you contact someone to train you. Trying as much as possible to do some background checks of the person. What are the evidences or the evidence to what the person is saying? You need to get all those things, and yeah, so you can cross check all social media handles to see how well you can validate the person's reliability, credibility before you entrust your money or whatever it is into that person's care. Is the person ready to mentor you devoid of duration? Think about that thing. Some people put you into limits, like, oh, the training is just for 1 week, it's just for 7 days. Yes, and afterwards, or 3 days afterwards, then you never hear from them. Is the person open or ready to train you so you become perfect, devoid of duration? Think about some of these things. Once again, I'm the person of Refugee Model. So if you find value in all my tutorials, then please do me a favor. Follow me on all social media handles, being it TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and on WhatsApp channel. Yeah, I'm everywhere. Yeah. If you want me to also train you, if you want me, you are scared, yet you want me to procure goods for you, I am in for you. Just DM me, hit me up, and we'll transact business legitimately. See you guys in my next tutorial.